confidential info?
Huh?
I say confidential info.
Oh my god.
Yeah. It's coming?
Yeah. It's time to get our Hawaii.
Just touched down in Honolulu, Hawaii. Gotta head over to Waikiki in
6 minutes.
6 minutes.
And also, our hotel, we can't, huh?
So we need a mic.
We do. We can't check in until 3 o'clock, so we're gonna see if we can do an early check-in because this shit ain't popping. Okay, so we'll just wait for our lift and then we'll see you all back at the hotel. Someone's gonna come in. This is us. No, do it slower. Oh, motherfucker's not opening. Ah, it's supposed to be graceful. How beautiful is this? We have a balcony. And we have mountain view. It's just a very nice room overall. So this is our room tour. Beautiful. Okay, in this closet is our safe, a closet, an ironing board. Nothing very clever. Here is our bathroom. Double sink. So we don't have to fight over stuff, you know. And a very big mirror. He literally just dirtied it right now. Terrible. Okay, and then here we have our kitchen where we will be cooking most of our meals. And then sink, whatever, the good stuff, you know. And we have bar top, so we have guests over. And then we have our flat screen TV with these very squeaky ass couches. And then behind here we have our bed and we have the balcony. I have a partial mountain view of Hawaii. Look at those beautiful dark clouds. Ah! Don't look down. It's very scary. Don't do it. Don't do it. So yeah, this is where we're going to be staying for the rest of the week. What do you think about this?
It's lit.
3 famous words of Talon McGee. You want to say out here?
Those are 2 famous words.
Oh. It is lit.
It's lit.
It's lit. So yeah. Excited for the rest of the day, the rest of the week. So we're just gonna unpack now, get situated. We'll see you all when we do stuff. Made it to Hawaii.
Fish in here?
Yeah, look. They're swimming away from us now. Oh, the water's kind of cold. I was expecting it to be warm. But we're just in a little lagoon, so the beach is over that hill over there. He has his board shorts on, so he's ready to go. What do you think? You want to go more explore? You want to go walk more over there where the beach is at? So now we know we could get in here.
Necessary.
Look at the beautiful, just amazing. Amazing, right? Just amazing. It's the nightlife here in Hawaii. Wow, look at that, the Hilton Hotel. We're looking for a grocery store because we need to buy groceries so we can stop, spend a minute.
To this park. Alrighty guys, so we're back here at the hotel, about to catch an Uber ride over to the grocery store. How long would that take us?
11 minutes. So we're gonna get there at 9:11 if we leave.
At 9:11?
Well, now
Not
later.
a good number.
We'll see you at the grocery store. So we found a Safeway, and these are like prices at home. So we're kind of happy about that, right? This man loves pizza. Huh? Yeah. I think so. I mean, we're not gonna be here for long. We can make these. We could just buy potatoes. Hello? We need to like situate ourselves and really think about what we want, because right now we're just grabbing and going. And yeah, it's not how we roll here. So we'll see how much this is gonna be, because this shit gonna be expensive. This is you want top ramen? Yeah, what if I get hungry? Cup of noodles. Chicken. You don't want one? I'm gonna eat one today. Put water in this bad boy. And dinner is served. Just like that. While he's cooking, I'm going to be cleaning up my stuff and just making myself more situated here. I don't like how messy this place is, so he's gonna have to do something about his stuff. But yeah. So, I am almost done with my dinner. No, get away. You didn't want any. You didn't want any. Make your steak. You can't. See, all of a sudden he wants everything that I have. But no, when we were at the store, he said, oh, you're gonna get kidney stones. Look who's getting kidney stones now. Look who's getting kidney stones now. Actually I can believe him. It's a very him move.
What is it?
I said it's a very you move.
For what?
To steal my food. Watch. Just watch when you're done cooking your food.